Fully automatic carton plastic bag lifting and sealing machine by Jiangsu Zhihe Packaging Machinery Co., Ltd. Are you facing challenges in packaging carton products that demand superior protection? In today's global marketplace, maintaining product integrity during shipping and storage is paramount. Products like chemical raw materials, delicate food ingredients, and sensitive pharmaceutical intermediates require packaging that guarantees moisture-proof, dust-proof, and freshness preservation. Traditional packaging methods can be inefficient, labor-intensive, and prone to inconsistencies. Introducing the fully automatic carton plastic bag lifting and sealing machine, your ultimate solution for automated, high-performance inner bag sealing within cartons. This cutting-edge equipment is engineered to seamlessly integrate into your existing production line, automating the crucial steps of bag lifting, top sealing, and folding with unparalleled precision and speed. Imagine a process that requires zero manual intervention, from carton arrival to finished product output. Let's delve into what makes this machine stand out. Its design is built upon 5 core principles, ensuring efficiency, reliability, and ease of use. Flow-based automation, designed for continuous, high-volume production, seamlessly linking with your carton erecting, packing, and sealing systems. Experience true end-to-end automation. Precise bag handling. Our reliable bag lifting mechanism gently yet firmly lifts the inner plastic bag, ensuring the mouth is perfectly open and positioned for consistent sealing. No more damaged bags or misaligned seals. Efficient heat sealing. Achieve robust, high-quality seals every time. The heat sealing system is adaptable to various bag materials and thicknesses, guaranteeing moisture-proof and leak-proof packaging to meet the stringent demands of diverse industries. Choose from ultrasonic sealing for ultimate strength or efficient sealing belt options. Precise folding and flattening. The excess bag opening is neatly folded and flattened, creating a smooth, even carton top. This not only enhances the professional appearance of your packaging but also optimizes it for subsequent carton sealing, ensuring a secure and aesthetically pleasing final product. Stable, reliable, and user-friendly, built for long-term, stable operation with minimal downtime. The intuitive control system and easy maintenance design ensure your production runs smoothly, day in and day out. Safety is paramount, with comprehensive safety protection systems integrated throughout the machine. Upgrade your packaging process and secure your product quality with a fully automatic carton plastic bag lifting and sealing machine. Contact us today to learn more and discover how this innovative solution can revolutionize your production line. Subscribe to our channel. If you have any requirements, please find our contact details in the description below. Invest in automation, invest in quality, invest in the future of your packaging.